Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make baby potato salad. First, choose small, firm baby potatoes for the best texture. You'll want to boil them until they're tender, but not mushy. While they cool, prepare a creamy, flavorful dressing. Remember to chill your finished salad thoroughly before serving for optimal taste and consistency. This simple guide will help you create a delicious side dish. To start, wash about 1.5 pounds of baby potatoes thoroughly. Place them in a pot of salted water and bring to a boil. Cook for 15 to 20 minutes or until they are fork tender. Drain the potatoes and let them cool slightly. Once cool enough to handle, cut any larger potatoes into halves or quarters to ensure even pieces. Now, let's create that delicious dressing. In a medium bowl, combine 1/2 cup of mayonnaise with 2 tablespoons of your favorite mustard. Stir in 1/4 cup of finely chopped celery and 2 tablespoons of minced red onion. Add 1 tablespoon of fresh dill or chives for a bright flavor. Finally, season with salt and black pepper to taste, adjusting as needed. Once your potatoes are slightly warm, gently combine them with the prepared dressing in a large bowl. Make sure all the potato pieces are evenly coated with the creamy mixture. Cover the bowl and refrigerate the potato salad for at least 1 hour, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Before serving, give it a final stir and garnish with a sprinkle of fresh herbs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.